In this video, we are going to discuss how to organize a class. In the classwork tab, we can see one option called create. So here you can see assignment, quiz assignment, question, material, reuse, post and topic. So first we need to structure our subject, or we need to introduce a syllabus of the subject to all the students. For that, you need to build the skeleton of the subject. And for that you need to click on topic, and you need to chapterize your subjects into different chapters. And the first one can be introduction to SPSS. Click on add. One topic is created, and again click on topic. You can type the next topic, data analysis using SPSS. Now we have the second topic ready, and now there are two topics, and we can create a third one too. And third one can be measurement skills. That's also added. Fourth one can be regression. And so now we have four topics with us, and if I want to move one topic to the top, I can do that. Like introduction to SPSS should be moved up. So it got moved up. So I need to do this process step by step. So now we have introduction to SPSS as the first one, regression is the second one, data analysis using SPSS, measurement scales. All these topics are listed there. And now we need to introduce the materials or the content to each topic. Once we have created the chapters or the basic structure of our subject, we can start adding materials to each topic. So for that, click on create material. So we can start like this: introduction to SPSS, introducing SPSS, and we can add materials like this. Click on add. We can select the material from Google Drive, link, file or YouTube, and we can see all these options one by one. First we need to click on Google Drive, and let's see what's all there. Google Drive, I have one document over here, contingent valuation. I'm clicking on that. Click on add. So that material got added, and I can see the second option, link. So here, if I have the link of any website, I can copy and paste the link over here, paste, add link, and the link got added. And the next option is file. So through this option I can add any file from my device, and it can be any file. So I am adding one file just to show you an example. So I have inserted one file, and the last option is YouTube link. I need to paste the YouTube link, so copying one YouTube link and I'm pasting it over here. So click on add. So now I have 4 materials by way of Google Drive, link, file and YouTube URL. So now I need to select the topic under which I need to post these materials. So I am planning to post these materials in the first chapter, Introduction to SPSS. So I clicked on that. I can choose students to whom I want to send these materials. So here I have only one student and I have clicked on all students, and I have only one class, BCom Computer Applications. So this is saved, and you can post it or you can schedule this post to a future date. So if I click on schedule material, I can choose the date and time so that on that particular date this material will be delivered to all the students. So now cancelling that, I can do that or I can post it immediately. So I am posting it immediately just to show you how the process happens. Click on post and the process is going on. Now you can see the materials inside this chapter. You can see here that students can only see topics with published post. It means once the topics are decided, you need to add materials under these topics so that students can view the materials. As long as materials are not posted inside all chapters, students cannot view anything in the class. So it's better you post the materials as early as possible so that students can prepare accordingly. And it's always better to start a new email ID for a classroom because it gives you more space in terms of adding the materials and all. So you should keep. We have posted a new material to the topic Introduction to SPSS, and that we can see in the stream tab. So if you want to share any message with your class, you can do that here. Share something with your class. Hi, how are you? So if you want to share any message, you can do that here. So you can see these kind of messages, all the notifications and all in the stream tab. So if you are planning to post an assignment, you can post it in the classwork and then the same is visible in stream. So the stream would give you a notification that you have posted a new assignment and the assignment can be visible to all the students. So now let's see how an assignment can be posted. For giving an assignment, you need to go to classwork, click on create assignment, and you can give the title for your assignment. Assignment 1, you can give instructions if you have any, and I'm planning to give some instructions. Students should type the answers in a new document, and you can add your assignment over here. So you can add document from Google Drive, link, file or YouTube, and I am planning to add it from my device, so I'm clicking on file select files from your device. So my assignment sheet is ready and I am uploading that document. So here you can see this. Students all view the same single file. Students all view and can edit the same single file. Each individual student receives their own copy. So I would prefer students can view the file. So let them view the file and let them answer all the questions in a separate document. So that's my motive. So my classes become computer applications and I have only one class. If I want to post the assignments to all students, I can do that. If I want to select a particular student, I can do that too. So as of now, I am planning to post the assignment to all the students, and you can decide the points. You can give the due date. I am planning to give the due date as June 1st. You can specify the time over here, 10 a.m. and the topic, I have taken only introduction to SPSS, so my topic is that introduction to SPSS. Once you have created the assignment, you need to assign the same to all the students. Then only all students can view the same document and give their answers. So if you want to assign the topic or assign the assignment now itself, you can click on assign, and if you want to post the assignment on a future date, you can click on schedule. So I am planning to post the assignment now itself. Before that, I need to explain one more concept, and it is called rubric. A rubric means the criteria by which this assignment is valued. So you can create either one criterion or can have different criteria for valuing this assignment. So the criteria can be punctuality or the submission on due date, and the explanation should be satisfactory, like that. I have already created a rubric. I have created two criteria, and my criteria are like this. The first criterion is submission on time, and the second criterion is explanation should be satisfactory. So the submission on time would get 20 points, and if the explanation is satisfactory, I would give you 80 points. So these are the two criteria that I have mentioned, and this is called rubric. So once we post this assignment to all students, it would appear like this: assigned to, handed in 0. Handed in means once student returns the assignment, handed in becomes 2. It means all the students have submitted the assignment on time or before due date.